Welcome to the testing world. In the previous session, we have covered how to read data from the text file by using FileReader class. So we have seen a couple of problems in that. One, it's going to read only one character at a time. So if we have a big file, millions of characters, so my loop is going to be executed millions of times and it's going to take extra time. So it will be a slow process. The second problem was it was reading the data in the form of ASCII, so we have to convert it back to the character format. So again, to convert it back to the character format, it's going to take some extra time and my process will be slow. So in this session, we are going to read data by using BufferedReader class. So while working with the BufferedReader class, we need to create the object of the file class as we are doing in FileReader. So we are making connection with the file. We are using FileReader and the BufferedReader is wrapper over this FileReader. If we are working on the BufferedReader, still we have to create the object of the FileReader class. So I'm coming here. Now we need to create the object of BufferedReader. So I'm creating the object def br new buffered reader and we are passing the object of FileReader over here. Now we are going to use the BufferedReader object, and with the help of which we can directly call a method is readLine. So with the help of the BufferedReader object, we can call method readLine, which is going to read one line at a time. So whatever the line it is reading, I'm storing into the S. So it read one complete line at a time. So whatever the data we are getting stored into the S. Now I don't know how many lines we have in my file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run a loop and here I'm checking if my S is not equal to the null, means end of the file, then display the content and again read next line from the file. So what I'm doing over here, first I'm making connection with the file, then we are creating the FileReader object. We are going to use this FileReader object in the BufferedReader. So I have created the object of the BufferedReader class and here we pass FileReader object. Then by using the BufferedReader object, we are calling a method which is readLine method, and whenever we call this readLine method, it's going to read one line at a time. So whatever the data is read by this readLine method will be stored in this S. We are checking if S is not equal to the null, means whenever my file is going to be end, we are going to get null from the file. So we are checking if this S is not equal to the null, it means we are not on the end of the file. Display this S and again read the next line. Again check this S is not equal to null. If yes, means still we did not reach at the end of the file. Display the character and again go to read the line. So it's going to be executed until we are going to get null from the file, means until we reach to the end of the file. So I'm going to execute this code and here we see we are getting complete content from the file. So advantage with the BufferedReader is that we are going to read one line at a time. It will be a faster process. In case of the FileReader, we are using only one character at a time. In FileReader, we are reading the data in the form of ASCII, but here we are getting the data in the form of string. So we need not to convert it back and we are directly displaying it. So here in this session, we have covered how to read data from a text file by using BufferedReader class in Groovy script. Thanks for watching this video.